Do you want to know how you can undo on QuillBot? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can do the undo function on QuillBot. So go ahead and open QuillBot on your PC or your browser and choose any of these after you have logged in. So let's choose paraphraser and let's write something. So after we write something, let's go ahead and click on paraphrase. And if you want to undo it, you can see that some of it are over here. So let's go to the language English, click on paraphrase again, and you can see that you can click on paraphrase, undo this. And if you want to undo it, you can just press Ctrl+Z on your laptop or your keyboard. So if this doesn't work, you can see that you can write something over here, and if you click Ctrl+Z, it will undo what you have written. So let's suppose I have written a long paragraph and I want to undo some things. I'll just go ahead and click Ctrl+Z, and you can see that it will do undo function. So guys, this is how you use the undo function on QuillBot. All you need to do is click on Ctrl+Z on your keyboard. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.